Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to slice the list. So let's go right. So suppose if we have the list x equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So basically we have the list of the 10 element starting from 2 to 11. Now suppose I want to access these three elements 4, 5, 6. To retry that, we can use this range function that similarly we have seen in the string. So here we can say something like print x. Now if you see here, the 4 is basically at the index 2. So we will say 2 here, and then we will say colon. And if you see here, the 6 is basically at the index 4. So we have to say from 2 colon 5 because we had to add the 1 for the n position. So let me run this now. You can see here we are able to get the result 4 comma 5 comma 6. Similarly, suppose if I want to reverse the element for the list, then we have to use the step function. So basically, so for that we have to pass the step argument, and we have to pass step argument as -1. So we can say something like x colon colon -1. So always remember the range function had three arguments: the start index, end index, and the step value. To reverse the string, basically we had to pass the step value as a -1. So now suppose I want to print all the elements like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and all. So basically I want to print the alternate element from the list. To achieve that value, I will say something like print x colon colon 2. So basically, here I'm setting the step as 2. So what will happen? The interpreter will start from the first element, then it will move ahead with it by two elements. So basically, it will print 2, then 4, then 6, and all. So let me run this program. You can see here we are able to see the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly, suppose if I want to ignore the two element between them, so suppose I want to print 2, then I want to print 5, then 8, then instead of print x colon colon 2, I will say print x colon colon 3. Now, if you see here, the output of this is 2, 5, 8, 11. Now, suppose I want to print from reverse side like 11, 9, 7, and all. In that scenario, I will say print x minus 2. You can see here I'm getting the output 11, 9, 7, 5, 3. So basically here the Python will start from reverse side and it will skip one element after each iteration. So suppose if I want to print first 5 element of the list, in that scenario I will say print x colon 5. Let me run this program now. You can see here I'm able to retrieve the first 5 element. But suppose if I want to print the element starting from 4, then in this scenario I will say print x 2 7. Let me run this program now. You can see here we are able to retrieve the 5 values starting from this element. So suppose now if I want to print all the elements starting from element 6, then to handle this scenario I have to just provide the start value. I will say something like print x. Now the index of element 6 is 4, so I'll say x4 colon. So basically I'm saying I want to print all the elements which are starting from position 4. So let's go ahead in this program. So you can see here I'm able to retrieve all the values which after the element 6. So that's all in this video. Thanks to everyone.